Hi and welcome to Bubba Harry. Based on the principles of energy, frequency, and vibration, there is hidden potential beyond the law of attraction. By consciously tuning our vibrational state, we can attract positive experiences, improve our health and prosperity, manifest desired outcomes, and tap into a deeper level of personal power and awareness, enabling us to influence reality through the energy we emit. In recent years, sound healing has emerged as a powerful tool in holistic health, capturing the attention of those seeking alternative methods for healing and relaxation. At the heart of this practice are instruments like tuning forks and Tibetan singing bowls, which harness the vibrational power of sound to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Sound healing operates on the principle that everything in the universe, including our bodies, comprises energy and vibrational frequencies. When we experience stress, trauma, or illness, these frequencies can become disrupted. Sound healing objectives are to restore balance by using specific sound frequencies to realign and harmonize our energy. In this video, you will be introduced to the fascinating realm of sound healing through tuning forks and Tibetan singing bowls. We will start with some of the history and origins of these instruments to understand how they have been used for centuries in various cultures for healing and meditation. You will learn how to use tuning forks to create specific frequencies that resonate with different energy centers in the body, known as chakras. Additionally, we will explore the soothing sounds of Tibetan singing bowls, renowned for their ability to induce deep relaxation and facilitate meditative states. The profound benefits of sound frequencies in promoting relaxation and healing are truly fascinating. Research indicates that sound therapy can reduce stress levels, mitigate high blood pressure, and ease symptoms of anxiety and depression. The vibration of tuning forks and singing bowls can help with emotional blockages and mental clarity and foster a sense of inner peace. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of how sound healing can be integrated into your wellness routine, empowering you to harness the transformative power of sound for your healing journey. Watch until the end of the video to learn how to access more information about frequency therapy and technology. Sound healing is a therapeutic modality utilizing sound frequencies to address physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The practice has been used for thousands of years, and various cultures incorporate sound into their healing rituals. Many ancient peoples, Egyptians, Greeks, indigenous tribes, recognized the power of sound and music as tools for healing. For instance, the Egyptians used chanting and musical instruments in their temples, while Native American tribes employed drumming and singing in their spiritual ceremonies. These practices highlight the universal understanding that sound can influence our health and state of mind. The effects of sound frequencies on the mind and body are profound. When we listen to specific sounds, our brainwaves can shift, leading to altered states of consciousness. For example, lower frequencies can induce relaxation and calmness, while higher frequencies may stimulate alertness and creativity. This phenomenon occurs because sound waves interact with our body's cells, tissues, and organs, creating vibrations that can soothe or energize us. As a result, sound healing helps alleviate stress, reduce pain, and enhance overall wellness. In the last few years, science has studied the mechanisms behind sound healing techniques. Research has shown that sound frequencies can impact the autonomic nervous system, which governs our stress response. Studies have demonstrated that sound therapy can lower levels of cortisol, the hormone associated with stress, and the body's fight or flight response, which is our natural reaction to perceived threats. Sound therapy can also help to release endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. Additionally, Sound healing has been linked to improved sleep quality, enhanced mood, and increased focus. As we continue to uncover the benefits of sound healing, it becomes clear that this ancient practice is not just rooted in tradition but is also supported by modern science. By understanding the historical context and scientific basis of sound healing, we can appreciate its potential as a valuable tool for holistic wellness in our contemporary lives. To people worldwide, this knowledge instills confidence in the effectiveness of frequency or sound healing. It is said that Albert Einstein predicted that future medicine would be the medicine of frequencies. It seems we are headed in that direction as expected. Tuning forks are specialized metal instruments that produce specific sound frequencies when struck. They work on the principle of vibration, creating a pure tone that resonates at a particular frequency. In sound healing, tuning forks facilitate the alignment and balance of energy within the body. When a tuning fork is activated, it generates sound waves that travel through the air. These waves can be enforced onto the body, allowing the vibrations to penetrate tissues and promote healing. This process helps to restore harmony to the body's energy systems, making tuning forks a powerful tool in sound therapy. Two main types of tuning forks are used for healing: plain or unweighted and weighted. The unweighted are used in sound healing, and the weighted for sound healing and vibrational massage. Weighted tuning forks are often used for more profound tissue healing, while unweighted forks produce higher frequencies and are ideal for meditation and energy work. For instance, a tuning fork tuned to 432 Hz is believed to promote relaxation and emotional balance, while a fork tuned to 528 Hz is often associated with transformation and healing. Each frequency has its unique properties, allowing practitioners to select the appropriate fork based on the specific needs of the individual. Using tuning forks for personal healing and meditation is a straightforward and empowering process that can be started at a young age. When it is time for you to try, find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Strike the tuning fork gently against a soft surface or a mallet to activate it. Once it vibrates, you can hold the fork near your body, particularly over tense or blocked areas. Alternatively, you can place the fork on specific acupressure points or chakras to enhance the healing effect. Incorporating deep breathing and mindfulness during this practice can further amplify the benefits, allowing you to connect with the vibrations and experience more profound relaxation and awareness. Integrating tuning forks and singing bowls into your wellness routine are two ways to harness vibrational power to support your healing journey. Many utilize tuning forks for the same purpose as Tibetan singing bowls. Tibetan singing bowls have been used in meditation and spiritual practices for centuries and are believed to provide many benefits, including improved health and well-being. Singing bowls have a cultural significance with Tibetans that dates back more than 2,000 years. Originating in the Himalayan region, these bowls are traditionally made from a combination of copper, tin, and sometimes precious metals. They were initially used in spiritual practices, rituals, and ceremonies by Tibetan monks and practitioners of Buddhism. The bowls are believed to have been used for meditation, healing, and as tools for enhancing spiritual awareness. Their unique sound and resonance have made them an integral part of Tibetan culture, symbolizing harmony and balance. Playing a Tibetan singing bowl is a simple yet profound experience. To produce sound, one can strike the bowl with a mallet or rub the rim with a wooden or felt mallet in a circular motion. This technique creates a deep, reverberating sound that changes pitch and volume based on the bowl's dimensions and thickness. The sound produced is often described as soothing and enveloping, with a harmonic quality that can resonate deeply with the listener. Each bowl has its unique voice, and the experience of playing and listening to them can be both meditative and transformative. There are numerous therapeutic benefits of using Tibetan singing bowls in healing practices. The sound frequencies generated by the bowls allow one to experience stress reduction and mind-clearing benefits, to name two. Many practitioners report that the vibrations help to release emotional blockages and facilitate a deeper connection to oneself. Additionally, studies have shown that sound therapy with singing bowls can lower blood pressure, alleviate pain, and improve overall well-being. The bowls are often combined with meditation, yoga, and other holistic practices, creating a harmonious environment that fosters healing on multiple levels. By including Tibetan singing bowls in your routine, you can experience their unique qualities and profound benefits, enhancing your journey toward holistic wellness. Introducing sound healing into your daily life can be a transformative experience. It can promote relaxation and enhance your overall well-being. One of the first steps is to create a dedicated sound healing space at home. Choose a quiet area where you feel comfortable and can minimize distractions. You can enhance this space with soft lighting, comfortable seating, and calming decor. Add cushions, blankets, or even plants to create a soothing atmosphere. Having your tuning forks and Tibetan singing bowls readily accessible in this space will encourage you to engage in sound healing practices regularly. Consider combining tuning forks and singing bowls to maximize the benefits of sound healing. Start by using the tuning forks to target specific energy centers or chakras in your body. Once you've activated the forks and felt their vibrations, transition to your singing bowls. Place the bowls near the areas where you use the forks, allowing the harmonious sounds to deepen your relaxation and enhance healing. You can also alternate between the two, using the forks to initiate the session and the bowls to conclude it, creating a balanced and comprehensive experience. Experimentation with sound healing techniques is encouraged and is beneficial for personal growth. Everyone responds differently to sound, so take the time to explore various methods. Meditating with the sounds of singing bowls, using tuning forks during yoga sessions, or incorporating sound healing by listening to recordings of healing frequencies are all great options for harmonizing the soul. Keep a journal to record your experiences. Note how different sounds affect your mood, energy levels, and overall prosperity. This practice will help you discover what resonates most with you and guide you in tailoring your sound healing journey. Integrating these practical tips into your daily routine will help you establish a deeper connection with yourself and harness the transformative power of sound healing. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of sound healing, focusing on the powerful tuning forks and Tibetan singing bowls. We discussed how these instruments produce specific sound frequencies that promote relaxation, balance energy, and enhance happiness and good health. Sound healing has numerous benefits, including reduced stress, improved mental clarity, and emotional release. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can tap into the transformative power of sound to support your holistic wellness journey. We also emphasize the importance of exploring sound frequencies to enhance health and personal growth. Each frequency has unique properties, and understanding how they affect your mind and body can lead to profound insights and healing experiences. Whether you use tuning forks to target specific energy centers or immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of singing bowls, the possibilities for exploration are endless. We encourage you to engage with this content and share your sound healing experiences. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on holistic health and wellness. Your support helps us create more valuable content to benefit others on their healing journeys. Consider sharing this video with family and friends who might benefit from frequency healing. Together, we can spread awareness about the incredible benefits of sound therapy and inspire others to explore these practices to maximize their health and well-being. Our affiliation with Spooky2, a leading provider of frequency solutions, allows our viewers to find the right frequency therapies and support our channel simultaneously. Please use the link in the video description below to learn more about a wide variety of frequency-based therapeutic options. Thank you for watching our video. We look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore the world of holistic health and wellness.